What is vibe coding? It is basically writing code in natural language using LLMs. You saw this tweet a while back, which was the hottest new programming language is actually English. People can now basically prompt an LLM and see some pretty great results in terms of writing code and applications with AI. But this is creating a bunch of new security challenges, and we'll talk about that today. The first thing I'd say is everyone is doing it. That's the big takeaway from me. So this is a survey from Stack Overflow in actually 2024, so it's probably even out of date. But at that time, 76% of all developers in the survey were using AI to write code or were planning to. GitHub had a similar one where it was 82%. And for those that have been following along, Cursor is an AI coding platform based on VS Code. And I think it's one of the fastest growing SaaS companies ever. It went from 1 to 100 million in ARR in like 12 months, mostly from like small companies just swiping their credit cards. And, I was at Black Hat a couple weeks ago, the security conference, and was basically hearing from everyone, hey, my engineering org is, doing a POV. We're looking at Cursor and Windsurf, and we're rolling it out across the whole org in 2 weeks. And I'm responsible as a security team to figure out what that means. So it's a huge kind of explosion in a change in how software is written. And honestly, like the sentiment from developers is very positive. So 72% in that same survey had a favorable or very favorable view of AI tools for writing code. And when asked about some of the benefits, the most common reason was an increase in productivity. And again, I think that's why you are seeing, from the top down, a lot of organizations are saying, yes, we want to use these AI tools to write code because it's going to increase productivity and improve our velocity as a development organization. So this is not going away. This is going to be something that I think is going to be here for the long haul.